Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's update here is for SLP or Smooth Love Potion. We are trading at 0.00519. You guys can see already on immediate short term of 2 hours, we're hitting a dead zone of our resistance, but we have our support that is angled upwards, essentially an ascending triangle chart pattern. And normally whenever we're hitting constant resistance at the same trend line, hitting support that is higher than the previous tier as well, again, hitting another resistance and then making a lot of higher lows. Essentially what this means and what this shows us is that there's a lot of weakness when the sellers are not driving the price as higher, but the buyers are pushing the price as high at our resistance line. Now, if you guys can see already, we can either push this resistance line either down or equivalent to our 50% of our fib chart at 0.00521. And essentially what we are waiting for is the volume to come back up. We can see that the volume is lower on a 2-hour time frame. What we are wanting to see is volume pick up, and if we do see that the momentum of our MACD is pushing or expanding and we see higher bars on our histograms, then that's going to give us enough push to finally break through this key resistance here and continue onwards. Now, essentially with ascending triangles or any chart patterns, before we make a move, we want to make sure we can be able to back test and not have a failed breakout or a false breakout. And essentially what that would look like is if we were to break through our resistance, come back up, retest it as support, and then continue onwards. Now, one of the things too that we can observe closely near our resistance line is not only that we are going to come back and retest it, is that we can see that the Bollinger Bands here are slightly curving upwards. So the upper band is coming up and the bottom band is coming down, meaning that the volatility may actually move fairly quickly here, and it may work in our favor of coming back up and retesting our resistance to continue on in higher numbers and come back up here at the 549. Now that's kind of a little bit more optimistic because our RSI is as high as the 50% range, sitting at 51%, where we may see a pullback that occurs because we can see already in this peak on May 24th, it was high as 55%. So those are a few things that we do need to consider, is that we do have in high RSI. The only way that we can be able to break this is stronger momentums of our MACD, and we see that the volume picks up at the time frame that I have set here. So that is my quick update here for SLP. Good luck, you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.